Oh, there's bone more over there. That's right. Dude, this freaking guy this morning, like, as you can see, the sun goes down that way, so it's like, I think 6 or 7 now. This freaking guy this morning, I'm taking care of him for a couple days. This morning I let him out. I had to watch him while he goes out to do his business. But I was wearing flip-flops at the time because it was early in the morning. I was tired. And this man starts going down the street. I had to chase him in flip-flops. I'm wearing shoes now because I'm prepared. But he hasn't done anything yet. He's just been whatever he's doing. So, yeah, he's good now. I mean, I don't know if he's good, but he seems to be alright. Now he's up. Okay, just goes right back down. Jesus Christ. What is that? Got the bone. I forgot where he got this bone from. I don't know who gave it to him. That face. He has eyes wide open, just staring at it. Just staring at its face, actually. Look at it. My hair keeps on going in my face. And there's freaking mosquitoes out here. God, there's freaking mosquitoes on the phone. Ah, mosquito on my hand. He's not going to go inside. He's enjoying the bone way too much. No? Okay. Oh. Told you. He hasn't even used the bathroom yet. He's just been here. I was mad at him this morning though. He went like pretty far down. So what are you doing? Why you grab me? As soon as I look away, he grabs me. Yeah, he started walking far down there. Let me see if I can show you guys exactly where. So, oh my God, I can't. You guys cannot see. Never mind. That is way too bright, even for my eyes. God, I seen a little bit. I seen a little bit of it through the screen. That was not good. Oh, Rufus. I don't think I ever said his name. His name is Rufus. Rufus. Rufus the Doofus Bingham. There's a mosquito right there in his face. God dang my phone. Now birds are making noise. Probably gonna make this a daily thing until my brother comes back. Daily videos of Rufus, because tomorrow I got the day off, so I'll be able to film him a lot tomorrow. You know, see what he does today. You know, oh God, Jesus Christ! All right, bye.